So we've got these really bad U-joints out of early 2000s F250, F350. We need to get these things replaced. This will end up breaking in the middle of winter when the guy needs it the most. So follow along. I'll show you how to replace these quick and easy. What's that, honey?
I think it's sweet and sour. It's broken.
You shoot a video. You want to be part of it?
Chicken nuggies.
Alright, so there's a few ways you can do this. There are some tools that help you replace U-joints. They just slip on there and start pushing the caps out either way. But not everybody always has these. They don't always have them in the right size. So, quick and easy way that anybody can do this with the trusty old hammer. So we'll get these. There's some circlips in here on these U-joints. This one, it's underneath. Sometimes they're up top. We'll just get that unseated. And we'll get in here through all the rust of the dirt. Pop these circlips off. Kits come with a new one, so we'll just throw those away. Then get you a vise, blocks, anything to kind of support this cross section on your U-joints. And rather than trying to drive the actual caps through, come back here a little bit carefully so you don't break the actual yoke. And we can drive that out. Flip it over, get it set in there right. There it goes. So now we've got them separated. We'll do the same thing on this side. We'll try not to take out the camera guy. They don't like it. Same thing, get this cross section of the U-joint supported nicely. A little bit back of the cap itself. Oh, yeah. See what no grease gets you? It's got a greaser on it. Just shoot it every time you do an oil change or every other time. Save yourself. Get rid of all those junk needles that are left over so that you can push that up, twist it out, throw it in the garbage. Now I like to get a little Scotch-Brite or a wheel and clean up this yoke just a little bit, not too much. Get that grease, dirt, rust off it, bring it back to the smooth so that when we go to put our new U-joint in, everything goes together nicely. Get in here. You can find this almost anywhere to clean these up. Of course, this is a shop, so we like to do it quick. I love these little sanding wheels. If you're very careful with them, not to take off too much material, these are amazing. Get nice smooth. All the rust, all the grease is gone. Will help that new cap slide in there. That's looking good. Do the other shaft. Now we get our new U-joint with caps and new circlips. So carefully and cleanly, We'll pull a couple of these caps off. These ones are nice. They come with a little grease in there. If you don't have enough grease, when you go to put this cap in, your needles will fall out, jam you up, and ruin your new joint. All right. So now we can put this carefully right into there. Take our new cap into our clean bore. Line up the cross section of the U-joint. Give it a little tap to get it kind of set. And this is where getting those bores cleaned up is so important for those new caps to slide in. Make sure that's on that cross section good. No needles have fallen out. And we want to watch to make sure that we go just far enough to catch that groove and get our circlip in. Get that lined up. Carefully tap it home. Make sure it's seated in that groove all the way. That side's looking good. Go to this side. And something I like to do before moving on is making sure we get this in a neutral position so that it's moving freely. And I like that. Checking those needles. Alright. Now we can get those circlips in. That one went in really nice. Love that. And the new one don't have greasers anymore, so don't have to worry about that. Some of them do. Pull the greaser out, pop it in, get it greased up. But after we put new seals on this axle and get it back in, we have brand new rebuilt front axle shaft ready to go in service for the winter.